Have you ever noticed something strange about people? We say we want love, we pray for love, we dream about love. But the moment we finally get it, we somehow find a way to mess it up. It's like the human heart has a self-destruct button nobody asked for. Welcome back to PsyMint, where today we're diving into one of the most confusing behaviors of the human mind. Why people destroy the very things they love. Let's start with the truth you won't hear often. People don't ruin love because they're bad. People ruin love because they're scared. Scared of losing it. Scared of being vulnerable. Scared of being truly seen. See, love feels beautiful, but it also feels risky. It's like holding a glass heart in your hands and thinking, what if I drop this? What if someone steals it? What if it breaks? And that fear turns into panic. And that panic turns into self-sabotage. Suddenly, you're overthinking texts, reading too much into tone, expecting rejection before it even happens, and testing the other person like you're running emotional crash experiments. It's not because you don't care. It's because you care too much. People destroy what they love when love starts feeling dangerous. Think of it like this. You buy a new white t-shirt. You love it. You want to protect it. So what do? Not wear it anywhere. Not eat in it. Not sit in it. Basically, you treat it like it's made of unicorn hair and fear. And one day, you spill chai on it in the first 5 minutes. Love works the same way. The more precious something feels, the more terrified you become of ruining it. And ironically, that's what ruins it. Another reason people destroy what they love? They think they don't deserve it. This one hits hard. Some people have been hurt or abandoned or overlooked for so long that when something good finally shows up, their brain goes, suspicious. Why is this nice? Why is this person treating me well? What's the catch? And instead of accepting love, they push it away. Or they freeze. Or they shut down emotionally. Not because the love is wrong, but because receiving love feels unfamiliar. When your past teaches you that warmth is temporary, you start running from anything that feels too soft. Here's another big reason. Control. Love makes you feel exposed. When someone matters to you, they can hurt you, deeply. So some people take the first swing just to feel in control of the outcome. Like, I'll leave first. I'll pull back first. I'll act distant so I don't look desperate. It's not healthy, but it's a defense mechanism disguised as confidence. Then there's this classic, idealization. People fall in love with a fantasy version of someone, the perfect partner in their mind. And when the real human doesn't match the fantasy, they panic. Real love is messy. Real people get insecure. Real relationships have misunderstandings, weird moods, sleepy faces, stubborn moments, and days where nothing feels magical. But some people expect love to stay perfect like a rom-com scene. And when reality kicks in, they feel disappointed and push the other person away. But here's the twist. People don't actually want to destroy what they love. They just don't know how to hold it safely. Love demands skills most people were never taught. Communication, patience, emotional regulation, honesty, vulnerability. And without those skills, love feels like trying to hold water in your hands. You squeeze too tight, it escapes. You hold too loose, it slips away. So how do you stop destroying the things you love? Start by understanding this. Love is not proof of perfection. Love is a space for growth. You don't need to be flawless to be loved. You just need to be willing to show up. The moment you stop expecting love to be effortless, you stop running from it. The moment you stop expecting yourself to be perfectly healed, you stop sabotaging good things. And the moment you realize that love is not a performance, but a practice, you give yourself permission to actually enjoy it. In the end, people destroy what they love because love reveals the deepest parts of who they are. Their fears, their wounds, their hopes, their insecurities. But here's the good news. The same love that triggers your fears is also the love that can heal them. If you learn to stay, if you learn to communicate, if you learn to trust slowly, if you learn to receive what your heart has been craving for years. Love doesn't need you to be perfect. It needs you to be present. And when you stop fighting the love you want, you finally become the person who can keep it. This is PsyMint, exploring the mind, one truth at a time.